everyone, my name is Joe. Today I'm reviewing a 2025 study by the Darren Sarol about the modernization of the Roucas Blanc Marina in Marseille for the 2024 Summer Olympics. What I find interesting is that this article look at the city branding in a different way. Branding is not only about the advertising, logo, or social media. Physical infrastructure can also communicate what a city wants to represent. In this case, the article explored how the nautical architecture made strengthening Marseille image as a sport and the tourism destination. First, the first key finding is that Roucas Blanc Marina was not developed only as a temporary Olympic venue. The article showed that the marina was connected to the Marseille, wider the strategy for or the urban developed sport tourism and international image building, so marina become more just the infrastructure. It also become the part of the how the Marseille positions itself as the international coastal and the sport destination. The second finding focused on the architect itself. The study highlighted the three main elements: sustainability, visual harmony, and the public accessibility. Marina used environment conscious materials, while its slow dry have preserved view of the Mediterranean coastline. It also improves the public access and creates a stronger connection between the locality and the broader park. For me, this shows that the place branding is not only about the city size, the physical experience of the place can also communicate the city identity. The third finding comes from the survey for national signing cultures. One of the respondents agreed that international training campaigns are important, and the 67% that they would consider turning to the Roucas Blanc for the future training camps. The coaches also positively evaluate the practical features such as the launching areas, storage space, and the specialized sailing facility. This research suggests that the marina has the potential to support the sport tourism after even the Olympic Games. However, the findings should be interpreted carefully. The biggest limitation is the sample size. The survey included six coaches from the one national sailing team. So, although the 67% sound impressive, it actually represents only a small number of the people. Study also had limited post Olympic data, so it couldn't fully measure the long-term impact the marina. Future research should include the tourists, local residents, and other marina users, and should examine the project several years after the game. Despite this limitation, I found this article interesting for the two main reasons. The first is showing the way I think about the destination branding. A city brand is not create only the through the communication campaigns, infrastructure, and the route experience can also have how the people see a city. The second, I found the idea of the Olympic legacy very interesting. Mega events can leave behind the expensive facilities that are not used enough after the event, but in this case, Marina is designed for the long-term public, the educational and tourism use. For example, the toilets Marseille through program aims to provide the sailing instruction to around 11,000 primary school students each year. Overall, the article suggests the broadcast playing marina has the potential to combine the sport, tourism, community value, and the place branding. However, more long-term evidence is still needed to confirm the its full Olympic legacy. Think for election.